I know the Mavericks still laugh after my friend them at the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, Jadko. If them flop one more time, we're going to declare a public holiday. I mean, after being embarrassingly stopped in them tracks with that inexplicable Andre Russell verdict appeal, them credibility get another battering after the forthright dismissal of the Khalees Spencer case. Right now, I don't know which hole the Jadko people them are going to crawl in and hide. The whole world said Jadko had no case against Spencer after they failed at the very first hurdle to follow the simplest of protocols. You go and test the athlete. You cannot inform the athlete's friend, or them coach, or them mother, or them father. Them have to inform the athlete themselves. And Jadko never did that. And still proceeded to waste taxpayers' money. These Jadko people, from the boss to the cleric, should be fired forthwith for incompetence. And you know, we have consistently argued that if them catch a Jamaican athlete taking performance-enhancing drug, them to do what them have to do. But when they go and continue to dwell on technicalities and half-truths to pressure and sink them own Jamaican sportsmen and women, then Jadko is not a part of the solution. They are now a part of the problem. This Khalees Spencer case was a fool case from day one that should never have been carried. But you know what them say? Fool case carried by fool Jadko people.